Hi, I'm Bruce from Unior Bike Tools. I'm here to present you with our 15mm pedal wrench. Our 15mm pedal wrench is made here in our laser cutting factory in Leonard, Slovenia. We heat treat it perfectly for strength and long-lasting performance. It has a double-dipped ergonomic handle. For great leverage, it has 270 millimeters of length. The 15mm opening is perfect in angle, so you can use it either upside up or upside down, so you don't rack your knuckles on the crank arm. It's small and light, perfect for a small toolbox and traveling. Go to uniorbiketools.com to check out this pedal wrench.